Hi cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to be drawing my Draw So Cute Hip Hop Dancer. So let's get started. To draw this cute dancer, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. So start right there, come right across about this much. And go ahead and draw basically the bottom of a U right here. So just connect it with a curve. And connect there. Bring this up a little bit more. So then from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle right here on the edge where I started. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. So about right here, towards the edge. There. So now I have the two circles in. Let's come in here and make them Draw So Cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Okay, so then now that I have eyes in, let's come right here. I'm just going to give some simple lashes. So I'll just bring out about maybe two curves and thicken it, and same thing over here. There. And let's draw her brow. So I'm going to come above, about right here, and just draw a soft curve above her eye. And same thing on the other side, about right here. And let's give her a sweet smile, of course. So say about right here. I'll just go ahead and draw a curve that slightly goes upwards and then cap it off. Now that we have her face in, let's go ahead and draw her ears. So come back to where her eyes are, about in this area. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve for her ear. Come in here with two curves for some detail. And we'll do the same thing on this side. And then now we're just going to go ahead and bring this up right here a little bit, bring it in. And so we're just kind of imagining an oval for her face. So about right there, I'll bring this in. And then in this area right here is where I'm going to draw her cap. So I'm going to come out, draw this curve that goes right close to her brow. And it's going to start to curve out about right here. And then let's bring this in, and right here. So let's bring this part in, wherever space you have left, draw the rest of her face. And then in this area right here, we're just going to draw a curve for her hair. So same thing over here, bring out a curve. And right there, I'm going to go ahead and add a curve. And now we're just going to continue this curve for the top, the line for our visor, and about right there I'll stop and finish our visor and round it off. Got a little curve right there. Okay, so now we have that in. So then now we can draw the top of the hat. So just come out about right here, and I'm just basically going to use angle lines to draw this dome shape at top right here, and bring it all the way back there. So notice it's not very round. I'm just giving it some angles, and bring it down there. Okay, so then from there, she has a little ponytail, but I'll draw that a little bit later, so work on her body first. So let's come back to right here in the center. We're going to give her a little neck right in the center. And I'm going to curve this out. and then her shoulder. So same thing here, curve it out and shoulder. From there, we're just going to imagine where her armpits would be. So say about right here and here, and I'll draw 2 slight angle lines. There. Okay, so then from there, let's come about right here. I'll draw her neckline. So bring a curve towards the center. And then on this side, I'm going to make it a little bit flatter. So it's more off of her shoulder. And then in between, let's add a little tank top in this space right here. And let's bring this down a little bit more. So I'm just giving her a really short little crop top. And connect with a slight curve. And so then I will go ahead and just right here, connect right through that armpit area and here as well. So then let's continue the body. So about right here, slight angle line. Right there. And then you're going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. So we're starting the band of our sweatpants now, or pants. And I'm just going to give it a little band. Sports pants. And now I'll come in here and just draw a bunch of lines to give it some texture. And let's bring this down. So we're just continuing this down. And about right here in the center, come down pretty low, so about right here, slightly baggy. Just draw a slight angle line. From there, go ahead and bring out 2 angles right there. And then we're going to go ahead and finish the pants. Let's bring this down. So we're still angling, and about right here, I'll come in a little bit and then out, just to give it some shape. So just notice it's slightly wider here and then comes in. And about right there, I'll go ahead and flare it out again because they're loose. And about right here. And I'll just connect it with a wobble. And come in here with some crease lines. Okay, so same thing over here. This one's going to be a little bit straighter. And about right here, once again, curve it out. Bring it down, come in a little bit, and then out. And connect with a wobble. There. And so now let's give it a little cuff. And her shoe. So I'm going to bring it out about right here. Just curve it out, flare it out a little bit, flare it out a little bit, and then connect. And just for some details, come right here with another curve, and then the top, and then 2 curves right here for the sides, and 2 small curves inside for some laces. So just your basic shoe. And then let's do the same thing over here. Kind of the same thing, but just at a slight angle. Do a little cuff, and let's come right here. We'll bring out the shoe, ending at the same area, and go right here, angle and connect. So then for the details right here, we're just going to go right here, band, the top, and we're going to follow the curve to the size thicker, and then once again, same thing, just 2 little bands. So now that we have that, and before I forget, I'm going to come in here and just draw a little bow for some detail, and then her arms. So let's come out, bring this down, and right here, I'm just going to go ahead and tuck in the sleeve. And right here, bring it out and in. So then let's draw this hand first. So it's at an angle. Her hands are going to be under her hips. So armpit, bring it out. Right here. we're aiming for this area, so come down with an angle, and about right here, come out. And so we're just going to follow, come down, about right there, bring it in, and then we're going to flare out again. And then right here, we're just going to add a little finger there. So then this side, just a little bit easier, we're just going to go ahead and bring it out. Right here. And let's see. And bring it down to about this area. So about right here, go ahead and draw a thumb. And fingers right here. We can add another little one down there. I mean, behind there, if you like. There. Okay, so we have the arms in now, and let's draw some, maybe some graphics on this shirt if you like. So I'm gonna come right here and just, I don't know, maybe like some stripes to make it look more sporty. And we could add a necklace for her right here since it's kind of bare. Put a little heart right here. And of course, we can add a heart here on her hat as well. And then her ponytail. So come right here where her ears are, and I'm just going to come out, curve, and right here, curve, and connect. And let's see, we can add a little band here for where it ties off, and some curves for some details. Come in here, fix that, now nice. And that is pretty much it. We can add some, let's see here, maybe on the side. Oops, some graphics. It's all up to you. I really hope you love these outfits I give to all my Draw So Cute girls. I not only get to be a artist to draw these for you, I get to be a fashion designer too, right? Okay, so that is pretty much it, and I really hope you love how this hip-hop dancer girl turned out, and that inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.